What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we are doing a step-by-step how to create a money machine using QubitTech. Alright, so step one is going to be to come to the Savvy Bitcoin Wallet channel and click subscribe. After that, you're going to want to click one of my videos. Here's my latest one. And you are going to go to the description and click the link. That's going to bring you to the QubitTech homepage, and you are going to click registration, and that will bring you to this screen right here. So you're going to want to put in your email, a new password, and your first and last name, and then see if you can decipher these letters here, and just check these two circles and click sign up. Step two is depositing your money, so I'm going to show you how to do that now. Alright, after you make your account using the link in the description, you're going to go down here to the My Wallet section. Then you're going to pick your package. You can do anywhere from up to $100 to $100,000. And as I've stated before, it's going to pay you 250% on your initial investment, and it's going to take you 4 months to make back everything that you put in. So for example, in the $100 package, it's going to give you $25 every month, which means in 4 months you will have your $100 back. After that, the next 6 months will be you making pure profit. So this platform is really great, and it's definitely a good choice for you to park your crypto. Once you decide what package you want to go in, this is the one that I chose, you will hit pay now. So after you do that, it'll bring you to this screen right here, and you can hit pay now if you want to pay in Bitcoin or Ethereum, so that's a really good option. And you would hit pay now. After about 3 days, they'll get you in the system and it'll start paying you money. So you can see here, if we go to my wallet, down here you'll see daily reports. So every day they make a daily report and it says how much profit they made. So right now I have $16.40 to withdraw because of the last 2 days being 0.68% and 0.96%. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you can see your withdrawal history and your reward history. So these, you can see these are the daily reports. I just read these two off, and this was the reward that I got for that. If you really want to kick things up, you can start sharing your link like I'm doing. So if you go to my network, this is what opens up a whole new world to this QubitTech platform. The affiliate program is amazing, and I have one user on my left leg right now, so I need to fill up the right leg, one more person, to get access to the affiliate program. Down here you can see it says affiliate users, left leg, first line. I need someone on my right leg, first line, to get involved in the affiliate program, and then I can start getting all like the bonuses like the quick start, the binary, the matching bonus, and all the other great stuff like the rank bonus. That's a good one too. So as you can see here, I'm using someone else's link. That's the Oracle. If you guys don't know who that is, you should definitely check him out on YouTube. So after you guys have created your account, you basically sit back, relax, and then withdraw. So when you guys want to withdraw, you can come over here to withdraw, put in the amount. So I have $16.40 to withdraw, and you can hook up your wallet, your actual crypto wallet, to right here on this link. I've already done so, so you just click that, and then you can put in your Google two-factor authentication. Make sure you guys use that if you want some extra protection. So far, this platform has been running really well. You can see that they have almost every day they have a new banner up here, and they all look really great, by the way. And it's spreading like wildfire all across the world. So far this has gone really strong, and it can only go up from here. Now, with that said, everything in crypto is risky, and anything you do is putting you at risk to losing your money. Alright guys, so that is my take on how to create a money machine using QubitTech. This is a fantastic platform, and don't forget to go use the link in the description to get in now. I want to thank all of you for supporting the channel and hitting the like button on all my videos. It really helps me out and inspires me to make more content for you guys. With all that said, get in QubitTech and let's make some money.